Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Shazia Gulshan. I'm consultant hematologist and hemato-oncologist in PLS Hospital, Kolkata. Today we'll be discussing leukemia or blood cancer. The word cancer is perhaps the most dreaded word for any person. However, times have changed and today cancer is not synonymous with death.
What is leukemia?
Leukemia or blood cancer is a cancer of the blood cells. Blood cells are normally produced in the bone marrow, which is present in the center of your bone. Now when this bone marrow starts producing abnormal blood cells instead of normal blood cells at a rate which is not normally controllable, then you develop a condition called blood cancer or leukemia. There are basically two types of leukemia. One is the acute, which develops at a faster rate, and the other is a chronic leukemia, which develops at a very slow pace.
What are the symptoms of leukemia?
As I have already mentioned, there are two types of leukemia, acute and chronic, and both of these present differently. Chronic leukemias, on one hand, they are very slow growing and sometimes they may not present with any symptoms at all and may be discovered during a routine examination which has been done for some other disease. Other non-specific symptoms that it can present with are fever, weight loss, fatigue and unusual tiredness, swollen lymph nodes in different parts of your body, repeated infections, and also a swelling of abdomen or a feeling of a lump on the left side of your body. Acute leukemias, however, they present with at a faster rate and they present more quickly. Their symptoms usually present with a high-grade fever, some infections which are not responding to the regular antibiotics, palpable lymph nodes or swollen lymph nodes or glands in different parts of your body like neck, armpits, groins. There may also be bleeding from different parts of your body like nose, mouth, blackish discoloration over the skin.
What tests are normally prescribed for leukemia?
Tests involve doing a complete hemogram as well as a peripheral blood smear to look for the abnormal cells or the cancerous cells. If it is suspected to be a leukemia, then we go for more specific tests like bone marrow examination studies. Here you need to consult your hematologist to prescribe what specific tests from the bone marrow samples that should be sent for. As for different leukemias, you need to go for different tests.
As chemotherapy needs consideration of many issues, how would you select a center for taking chemotherapy?
Chemotherapy are drugs which kill cancer cells and may be associated with complications. Many people may require intensive ICU monitoring, consultations with other specialists like cardiologists, endocrinologists and gastroenterologists, and several other advanced investigations like CT scan, MRI. So it is advisable that chemotherapy be administered in a multi-speciality hospital with a dedicated hemato-oncology department so that any complication which arises may be dealt with promptly.
What is remission? Can the cancer come back?
Remission is when the cancer cells have been cleared from your blood and bone marrow. However, they may still be present at undetectable levels in the body which needs special tests to detect it. Whether the cancer will come back or not depends on the type of cancer, and you have to be on regular follow-up at periodic intervals as your hematologist will tell you to detect whether it is coming back or not. In case it comes back, then you may need another set of chemotherapies or immunotherapy or may even need a bone marrow transplant. Now, bone marrow transplant is a procedure where the cancer cells in your body is destroyed by chemotherapy and it is replaced by normal donor blood cells, so that when the marrow takes up these donor cells, it takes it up as its own and starts functioning normally. The donor cells which will be given, they may be given from the patient himself or some matched sibling who can act as his donor or some unrelated person whose blood cells match with yours, and he can also act as a donor. In conclusion, I would like to say that blood cancer, leukemia has undergone tremendous advancement and you don't need to lose hope. So consult your hematologist as early as possible for an immediate diagnosis and treatment.